We're doing an Eavestrough cleaning and inspection of the home. Just kind of doing a general perimeter check on the existing condition of what your troughs look like right now before the clean. So this is the area that was damaged by the truck you mentioned about earlier, and obviously because of the damage, this has probably thrown off the level of the Eavestrough. So there is a lot of buildup over here. You do have some tree coverage right here, not over top of the house, but you do have trees in front of the home. And what it's done is actually grown in a lot of weeds and other debris you don't want sitting in here, because it definitely weighs down the trough. And it's kind of continued throughout until we hit the corner. And the corner, like every other house, tends to have most of the buildup. So I'm going to make sure that all of the seals are well sealed and closed off, so no leaks occur. And then obviously around the perimeter here as well, this edge is pretty good. Again, you don't have a whole lot of tree coverage other than those two areas right there. Gets pretty good, but then when you come back to the corner again, right, you still have your debris buildup. Pretty standard with Eavestroughs. This area seems to be the cleanest out of the entire home. So, but once we get down to here, there is a lot of blockage, right? And this is your downspout right here. Good thing that you have this covered up, because we don't want any debris getting stuck in there. We want to make sure that's freed up, of course, right? And there's no blockage here. And then once you get over to this side, I'm going to be trimming away these branches here so that you guys don't have any coverage over the Eavestroughs. This area is pretty good for the most part. It doesn't see a whole lot of debris. However, when we come over here, all of this is just water buildup here, right? So from rainstorms and whatnot, it's been sitting. There's a lot of debris also sitting in this area as well. We want to make sure that we're protecting these spikes. These are the hangers to your Eavestrough system. It gets really full when we come over near the end here, right? So I'm going to unblock all of this, make sure that it's nice and clean. Find the downspout access area where the water is supposed to get directed to, unclog that, and make sure everything's nice and tidy for you guys. Thank you.